Well, hello there. In this video, we will be testing this, a tile drill kit from Qep. I'll try saying that 3 times fast. You can buy this kit at your local Home Depot. It costs $13.27. It comes in 2 different sizes, 5/16 and 1/4. And this kit comes with a water cooling system, which is a swiveling container that you fill with water, a drill guide, which is part of the container, 6 adhesive pads to adhere the drill guide to the tile surface, and then of course the pièce de résistance, a diamond drill bit. We're going to test out this kit by drilling through some different tiles. The tiles are a ceramic tile, 2 different thicknesses of porcelain, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, then some natural slate, and then glass tile mosaic. You might notice that these tiles already have a lot of holes in them, and that's because I made a couple of different videos, one testing the different types of bits that you can drill through tile with, and then another showing how to actually drill through tile. They are both a great complement to this video, so you might want to check them out. Now, let's get started. First, make sure to clean the wall. Then mark out where you want to drill. When you find the point, I suggest that you use a small torpedo level to enlarge the horizontal and vertical lines of your crossmark. Then you apply an adhesive pad to the backside of the drill guide and mount it to the wall, lining up the guide marks with your cross marks. Now unplug the water container and fill it up to just below the drill hole. Plug the container again and mount it on the drill guide. Put the diamond bit in your cordless drill, insert it into the drill guide, and turn the water container 180 degrees so the water covers the drill bit. Begin drilling with steady and even pressure, sliding the drill bit in and out to remove debris and apply fresh water to the drill point. When you are done, remove the core from inside the drill bit to be ready to drill your next hole. So how did this kit do drilling through the different tiles? Well, it drilled through the ceramic tile in 1 minute, the 1/4 inch porcelain tile in 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and the 1/2 inch porcelain I had to stop at 3 minutes and 23 seconds, but more on that later. It drilled through the slate in 1 minute and 9 seconds, and finally it drilled through the glass in 1 minute and 32 seconds. I'm not very impressed with this kit. It drilled extremely slow compared to other bits that I've used in the past, and the whole kit would start to fall off the wall even after I cleaned the tiles off with acetone. And the whole point of a kit like this is that you should be able to have your hands free so you can focus on drilling straight. But on the tiles that the kit did stay on, I had to remove it at the end to make sure that I drilled all the way through the backer board behind the tile. And then it only comes with 6 adhesive pads, so you can conceivably only drill 6 holes, but I was only able to drill 5 holes because after I drilled halfway through the 1/2 inch porcelain tile, the bit was so bent that I had to stop drilling. Now, this kit is not worth your time or your money. You would be much better off using a carbide bit or one of these, and core bit for an angle grinder. Now, this thing drills through anything like it's nobody's business. So there you have it. Don't buy this kit. I hope you found that helpful. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're curious about other ways to drill through tile, then check out those other 2 videos that I mentioned earlier. Or you can also head over to nordicstone.co for more tiling tips and tricks, as they say. Now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We will be testing this, a tile drill kit from Bit. A tile drill kit from Qep.